guys, thank you so much for joining our channel. Today I am super excited to be talking to you about these high-end luxury hair products. These are by Moerie. We were super excited when they reached out to us because I've been wanting to try something a little more high-end for a while now. I deal with postpartum hair loss. It's something that I've struggled with every single one of my pregnancies. I have 4 kids, so it's a lot. And after every baby, I always have hair loss. So I was super excited to try these out. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, hit that button below. My sister and I post videos every week. We talk about beauty, we talk about fashion, and you can also find us on Instagram at 2-Day Threads, where we do all of our Amazon only hauls, and Beauty Budget Moms, where we post a ton more content about our lives and who we are and how crazy we are, specifically my sister. So follow us there too. But let's get right into these products. So we're gonna give you our honest feedback on these. I've been using them for a few weeks now. One thing I will say is the packaging is fantastic, as you can see. One of my complaints about the packaging is with the hair mask and with this growth serum, they don't have great instructions on them. I knew what to do with them, and you can find out what to do with them on their site. But I am gonna reach out to the company and let them know. Having instructions on here would be obviously super helpful, especially for people who might not know. But let's talk a little bit about the ingredients in these, because that's what I'm most excited about and what I've done a lot of research on. So all of the ingredients have 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. And just to show you what the packaging looks like, here's what their bottle looks like. So they've got their shampoo, they've got a conditioner. Conditioner comes in here, and like I said, they have the hair mask. Love a good hair mask. Love a good hair mask. And they have growth spray. I'm big on using hair masks, and so I was pleasantly surprised to find out I really like this. I'm pretty picky. There's one I use off of Amazon that I love. This one is right up there with it. My hair, I mean, after I use it, it feels silky soft. I mean, it's fantastic. But let's get a little bit more into the ingredients here. So first off, it is paraben-free, fragrance-free, cruelty-free, silicone-free, SLS-free, GMO-free, completely vegan, so super healthy for your hair. And if you are looking for hair growth, like I was, this is the type of stuff you need to be using. A lot of the products you can find at Target, Walgreens, whatever, it's not gonna give you the nutrients your hair 100% needs. So that is super important if you're looking to just have healthier hair, not only for hair for like regrowth, but just to help with any split ends. I'm a brunette. I know you probably thought I was a natural blonde. I'm not, but I need this type of high-end shampoo conditioner to use on my hair because it does get damaged easily. The other thing I will say about it is the smell is amazing. So there is this hotel in Las Vegas. It's on the Strip, but it's actually a very high-end, more luxury hotel. It's called the Mandarin. Actually might not be there anymore, but when you walk in, it smells like a spa. Oranges, citrus, oh my gosh, amazing. That's what this smells like. So good. It has such a good scent to it. Very natural, not overpowering. Just a really pretty scent. The spray has a little bit of a different scent. It's more of like an herbal scent. And the cool thing about this, and I think this is their secret sauce, you guys. I think this is what's doing it for my hair in particular. It like tingles when you put it on your scalp. So of course, just to walk you a little bit through the process of using it, you're gonna wanna use the shampoo. And let me give you a little tip. This is not the type of shampoo that is going to lather. And there's a reason for that. There's no sulfate in here, which is great because you know what sulfate does? It dries out your hair. Really bad. It is not great for your hair. So to get it into a lather, you're gonna want to use just a small amount of product, rinse it just a little bit, and then add more. Don't rinse it all the way. And that will get it into a pretty good lather for you. But it's not going to be like an herbal essence, super foamy lather. But you don't want it to be, especially if you're trying to repair your hair. So of course you use the shampoo, conditioner, followed by the mask. And I usually only use the mask like twice a week. I'm not using this every day. I mean, I don't wash my hair every day. You shouldn't be washing your hair every day. So maybe even just once a week with this. I try to wash my hair just every 3 days. And then with the spray, you're gonna use this after you're done washing your hair while your hair is still wet. You're gonna spray this at the root. And like I said, it's got this nice little tingle. I feel like this is what's really helping with my postpartum hair loss. So just to give you an idea, you guys, of what my postpartum hair loss looks like right here, right here, it is not as bad as it typically is. And you can see right here on this side and on this side, I'm getting a substantial amount of regrowth, and you can tell because they're shorter. And I really am attributing that to these products. And I'll tell you another thing about that. I went to go get my hair done probably a week ago, just to tone it. And the girl I go to, I've been going to her for years. So I know she's always gonna be honest with me about my hair. There was all of these flyaways on top. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm using a new shampoo and conditioner. Like, what's going on with my hair? Why are there so many flyaways? And I said, is that breakage? Is my hair breaking off? And she's like, no, there's no split ends on these. This is new growth. And I was like, yes, that's awesome. So I was super, super excited to hear that. One other thing I wanted to get into with you guys is a little more details about why the ingredients in this are helping your hair. I love knowing the why behind what I'm doing, what I'm using, why does this work better than other products that you might be putting in your hair. On their site, they have this all listed on there. And I also researched this a little bit more on my own. Did you know? There are 3 stages of hair growth. There is the anagen stage, the catagen stage, and the telogen stage. Now, of those 3 stages, the first one, the anagen stage, is the most important because that's when your hair follicles really need nutrients. That's that first initial stage. And so that's when you need to be giving your hair the most vitamins, the most minerals. So that first stage is crucial. The hair follicles take on nutrients and oxygen, which is vital to the growth process, makes sense. And so it's important in that first stage to ensure that you're getting a lot of nutrients to your hair. They all contain, obviously all of these contain these ingredients that I listed already that you need, but the one that stood out to me the most is fulvic acid, which I had never heard about before. Did a little more research on it. It's a 100% occurring super material. Super. It's comprised of active substances and amino acids, which greatly facilitate the delivery of much needed nutrients directly to the individual hair follicle. It is the perfect natural ingredient to aid in the hair growth process, resulting in restored, healthy, strong, and lustrous hair. So obviously all of these have that fulvic acid. Really everything you're using in your hair to help with that anagen stage of hair growth should have that fulvic acid. So I was really excited to research more into that. I also looked other places to learn more about fulvic acid, and yes, it is vital for hair growth. Let's get into a little bit of the pricing because these are a little more high-end. Obviously they're gonna cost a little bit more, but not bad, especially right now. They've got some deals going on. And I'll list some pictures so that you guys can see exactly what they've got going, but you can get 2 of the conditioners, 2 of the shampoos, 2 of the hair masks, 2 of the hair growth for 19 bucks, actually less than that. $19 a piece, but if you use our promo code, which is Beauty Budget Moms, you'll get 10% off of that. That's not bad. That's basically what you're spending at the, at Target if you were to grab an herbal essence or something like that. So not bad at all. If you buy them individually, of course, they're gonna cost a little bit more, but I would suggest buying that bigger package because you need a good amount of time for this to give you the results that you're looking for you to see that hair growth results. And I am hoping to do an update, you guys, another YouTube video in a few months on how exactly this has helped my hair, show you a little bit more of that postpartum hair loss and just how much has grown back in. I'm really excited to continue to use these products. So of course, everything will be listed below in the description. I will give you the link to their website, which has all of these products, as well as our promo code that you can use to get 10% off. Leave any comments you have below in the comment section and I will get to them. Sorry, there's a motorcycle. Here's my ride. I gotta go. Kidding, I wish. Leave any comments you have below. Be sure to subscribe so that you know when we're posting and you can see all of the beauty stuff that we post about every week. Follow us on Instagram at Beauty Budget Moms and 2-Day Threads. 2-Day Threads is a ton of fun, you guys. We do tons of Amazon hauls. It's all Prime and it's all, of course, then free shipping, 2-day shipping. And that is basically it. Thank you so much, Moerie, for sending us these products to review. I am loving them so far. And like I said, I will do an update in a few months so that you guys can see where we're at. Have a good one.